Best farm animals for beginners. Top 7 animals to start your farm. Are you dreaming of starting your own farm but don't know which animal to choose? In this video, I'll show you the 7 best farm animals for beginners. These animals are easy to care for, affordable, and perfect for small farms. Let's get started. Starting a farm can feel overwhelming. Many beginners make the mistake of buying expensive animals too early. The best approach is to start with animals that are easy to manage and gradually grow your farm. Number 1. Chickens. Chickens are the number 1 choice for beginners. They don't need much space, they grow quickly, and they provide fresh eggs every day. They are inexpensive and easy to care for. Chickens' ducks are hardy birds that can handle different weather conditions. They lay nutritious eggs and are excellent for small farms with access to water. Number 3. Rabbits. Rabbits require very little space and reproduce quickly. They are inexpensive to feed and are perfect for beginners. Number 4. Goats. Goats are friendly, intelligent, and provide milk. They also help clear weeds. Number 5. Sheep. Sheep are calm animals that provide meat and wool. They are easy to manage on pasture. Number 6. Bees. Beekeeping is a great way to produce honey while helping plants grow through pollination. Fish farming is becoming more popular because it requires less land and can generate a good income. Conclusion: every successful farm starts with one simple step. Choose the animal that fits your budget, your space, and your goals. As you gain experience, you can expand your farm and increase your income. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe to Zaki Farm, and turn on notifications for more farming tips every week.